Hello everyone, welcome back to the next video. In this video I will show you how to use CSS clip path for an image. So let's get started. So firstly I have created a simple project using Vite, but you don't really need to use Vite. You just require an index.html as well as a CSS file, but I am using Vite. So here is one of the image, and here is some text element. So if I show you the code, firstly inside index.html I am referencing my CSS style. Also inside the public folder I have this particular image which I am using. Next, if you see, I will just remove this unnecessary code. So if you see, I have one div, and inside that I have one image as well as one h1 tag. Okay, pretty simple. Next, if you see this styling, for the div tag I have given some width, and for image tag I have given width of 100%, height is auto, and object fit is cover. Now I will apply one clip path of circle. So if I just do that, here you can see it automatically turns to a border radius. It automatically changes my image to circle. Next is the clip path circle of 25%. So you can also pass how much percent of circle you want inside your image. You can control that. Then there is a clip path circle of 25% at 100% by 100%. Now this seems a little complicated, but if you are on Firefox, I'm not sure if this is available on Chrome, but it is available in Firefox. You can just select your image. I'll just select my image, and here you can see for clip path they have this particular icon, polygon kind of like icon. You can click on this particular icon and they will give you all this proper, I'm not sure what to call this, but if you click on this icon you can drag and drop it. Okay, wait, I'll just click on it again. Okay, where did it go? I have to refresh. I'll just click on clip path, and here you can see I can just play around with this value, and these values also change. So if you are not sure how this really works, even I'm not sure, here you can see I can move this as well and get my image accordingly. I can again move it as well. I can remove this image. So based on this you can get those all the values according to your choice. Okay, next is the ellipse. Same thing. Here you can see, here I'm getting the ellipse, but again I'll have to refresh, and I will again have to click on, okay, why is this not showing? I'll have to click on my image. Okay, I'll just refresh one more time. Yeah, here is my ellipse. And I can click on it and I can just play around with this, and feel free to use whatever you feel like. Then is the polygon. So for polygon you at least require 3 values. So here you can see these are the 3 values which I am using. Again I'll just save it, and here you can see this is how the polygon looks like. I'll quickly refresh. So here if I go to clip path, here is our polygon. If I click on this icon, here you can see that I can move these values, right? But there is one more thing. You can click on any of this line, you can double click and it will create one more point for you. So I can double click on this line and it will create one more point for me. I'll click on this line, double click, and it will create one more point for me, and I can move around with this and create my own shapes. Feel free to use this, and yeah, and you can get these values updated, then you can use this inside your CSS. Next thing is clip path inset. Again same thing, you can use something like this. So basically you don't need to pass all these values. You can just pass 20% and it will apply it on all the side. Here just like we have 4 values for margin, like the margin top, margin right, margin bottom, and margin left. Here you can apply something like this. Then you can apply, to make it round I have applied round of 2 rem, that's why it gets applied. But yeah, just like here again you can just quickly refresh and you click on this icon and you can just play around with these values to whatever you feel like. There is one more thing called CSS polygon generator. You can just search for it. I am using this web URL, this website, but you can use whatever. There are a lot of other websites as well, and if I click on it, you can select on any of the shapes whatever you feel like. Suppose I click on this X icon, it gives me this polygon shape. Okay, I can just copy this and I can apply it to my own image. So I'll just comment this out. I will comment this out as well. Okay, and I can use this, and now if I go to my image, here you can see it has applied that particular thing. So yeah, that's how you can use clip path in CSS. Oh sorry, here is the thing. So yeah, that's it. Thank you for watching. Bye.